In the summer of 1914, the bustling city of Sarajevo, annexed by the Austro-Hungarian Empire, brimmed with life. A city of diverse cultures, it was a melting pot of Slavic, Islamic, and Jewish influences, simmering with unrest. Among the city's inhabitants, a group of young Bosnian nationalists, led by Gavrilo Princip, harbored a shared dream: the liberation of their land from the Austro-Hungarian rule. On June 28, they saw an opportunity to initiate a revolution. Archduke Franz Ferdinand, heir to the Austro-Hungarian throne, and his wife Sophie were scheduled to visit Sarajevo as part of a goodwill tour. Little did they know, their presence would ignite a spark that would set the world ablaze. As the royal couple's motorcade made its way through the city, Princip and his fellow conspirators waited in ambush. Among the crowds, they saw their chance, and with a single shot, the world's course was forever altered. The Archduke and his wife were fatally wounded in the attack, plunging Europe into mourning and shock. Austria-Hungary blamed the Serbian government for the assassination, demanding justice and retribution. In the wake of the tragedy, Austria-Hungary declared war on Serbia, setting off a chain reaction. Other European powers, bound by alliances and treaties, found themselves drawn into a conflict that would come to be known as World War I. The assassination of Archduke Franz Ferdinand was the event that started the Great War, a devastating conflict that would reshape the world, with lasting consequences for nations and peoples for decades to come. The assassins, Princip and his followers, were not the only ones affected by their actions. The world, too, bore the weight of their choices.